In this video, we show how to unbox and set up your Dell Premier collaboration keyboard, KB900. Now, let's begin. First, peel off the seal and open the box. Lift the keyboard off the box to access the documents and cable. Inside the box, you'll find the Dell Premier collaboration keyboard, USB-C charging cable, Quick Start Guide, Dell Secure Link USB receiver, and the warranty, safety, and regulatory document. Your keyboard has a rechargeable battery. For best results, ensure that the battery is charged before using it the first time. To charge the keyboard, connect one end of the USB-C cable to the USB-C port on the keyboard, and the other end to any USB-C port on your computer. When the battery is fully charged, the battery indicator turns static white for 10 seconds and turns off. Slide the power button to the right to turn on the keyboard. Before you use the keyboard in wireless mode using Bluetooth, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on in your computer. For computers that support Dell Pair, it is recommended to install and pair your Dell Premier collaboration keyboard. Download Dell Pair and follow the on-screen instructions. Place your wireless keyboard near your computer, select the Bluetooth mode on your keyboard, press and hold the connection mode button for 3 seconds until the LED indicator starts blinking. The Dell Pair notification appears automatically when a Dell device that supports Dell Pair is turned on and is within range of the Dell computer. Click Pair and confirm the pairing process on the wireless keyboard and your computer. To pair the keyboard using Swift Pair, open the Bluetooth and other devices settings window on your computer. Ensure that the Show Notifications to Connect using Swift Pair box is selected. Place your wireless keyboard near your computer. Select the Bluetooth mode on your keyboard. Press and hold the connection mode button for 3 seconds until the LED indicator starts blinking. The new Dell KB900 Found window appears. Click Connect and confirm the pairing process on the wireless keyboard and your computer. You are now ready to use the Dell Premier collaboration keyboard. Follow similar steps to add a second device. You can also pair the keyboard with your computer using the Dell Secure Link USB receiver. Insert the USB receiver to any available USB-A port on your computer. Press the Bluetooth connection mode button on the wireless keyboard until the connection mode light turns on, indicating that the wireless connection is selected. The keyboard is now paired with your USB device. You must install the latest version of the Dell Peripheral Manager, or DPEM, to customize the Dell Premier collaboration keyboard and activate the touch controls for Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Download DPEM from dell.com/support/DPEM and follow the on-screen instructions. Also, update your keyboard firmware to the latest version through DPEM to optimize your keyboard experience. Your Dell wireless keyboard comes with Zoom and Teams touch control icons to turn on and off the camera, share screen, chat, and the microphone. These touch controls will be disabled if DPEM and Zoom or Teams are not installed on your computer. These icons automatically illuminate once you successfully join a Zoom or Teams meeting, and they remain active for the duration of the meeting. To activate these touch control icons in a Teams meeting, ensure that you've enabled third-party APIs in the settings for Teams, and you're running the latest version. In Teams, go to Settings, Privacy, scroll down to the bottom and click Manage API. Then, next to Enable API, slide the switch to the right. The next time you join a Teams meeting, you'll receive a new connection request pop-up notification. Click Allow to activate the icons. This setup is a one-time requirement. Please note, these touch icons are designed to function with one app at a time. If you're in a Zoom and Teams call at the same time, the icons will temporarily disappear and then reappear once one of the meetings is closed. The video icon is used during video conferencing to turn the video on or off. The chat icon will blink when you receive a new chat message in the video conferencing app during your video conferencing. You can enable this feature in DPM. The share screen icon pulls up the screen share panel, so you can select which screen, app, or file you want to share. When you are sharing the screen and you double tap the icon, it will stop screen sharing. The microphone icon is used during video conferencing to turn the microphone on or off. All collaboration control settings are stored and can be configured in DPEM. You can enable or disable all icons or each icon individually. Enable or disable chat breathing notification, and change tapping control for the icons from a double tap to a single tap. To temporarily turn off the touch controls during a call, swipe the icons from left to right or right to left. Your Dell wireless keyboard has embedded two sensors to regulate the backlight. An ambient light sensor that adjusts the backlight brightness based on the environmental lighting conditions and turns off when the environment is bright enough to conserve battery. A proximity sensor that lights the backlight keys when your hand is in close proximity. You can also assign actions to programmable keys. Change settings of the touch controls, customize illumination for intelligent backlighting, view device information, and upgrade to the latest firmware on your Dell wireless keyboard through DPEM. You've successfully unboxed and set up your Dell Premier collaboration keyboard KB900. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/support.